now releasing all the lanterns. What's up, guys? We're now here in the Old City for the Yipeng Festival and the Loy Krathong Festival. But before that, we will visit this temple in the North Gate. So, pakita ko lang yung pangalan ng temple. Kasi, nirecommend to nung staff doon sa Baanburi Cafe where we had our afternoon coffee kanina. So, puntahan natin yung temple na to kasi maganda raw siya, marami daw mga lantern. So then after this we're gonna go to the Tapay Gate and then Nawarat Bridge. Alright, so I'm so excited for tonight, guys. Dream come true to na magpalipad ng lantern during the Yipeng Festival. Right, so let's go, let's cross this beautiful bridge and then let's go to that temple. Yeah, that's the nicest bridge that I've seen so far here in Chiang Mai. And across the street is the temple that we will visit. Let's go and on the other street naman there's a temple again. And the big Buddha here, oh. Ang ganda, may big Buddha, oh. There's a big Buddha here. That's Kuya Alan vlogging. And right here is the canal. Right, very scenic view here in the North Gate of Chiang Mai. So as you can see here, oh. There. So let's cross the bridge na para we can go to the temple. That's the bigness. I just Okay guys, we're now here in the Tapay Gate. And then maglalakad tayo papunta sa Nawarat Bridge. And I think close na tong road na to for traffic. Just foot traffic na lang kasi start na ng festival. So let's just cross the bridge when we get there. Charot. So ito yung lalakaran natin. Sana sa ay pala di mo sinuot yung sayo eh. So ang daming tao, there's a lot of people here. So let's walk towards that lights. Parang siya, parang pailaw sa gabi. Lalakad tayo doon. Love. Ang ganda.
Diyan tayo pupunta?
Oh. Selfie tayo dito. Maraming tao ngayon. Kaya ang hirap mag-vlog, pero gagawin ko ang aking makakaya para maisama kayo sa festival na ito. But we'll turn off this video for now. Dahil ang daming tao. Okay guys, we're now approaching the Nawarat Bridge where everything is happening right now and we're about to float our krathong. So nakabili na kami for 40 baht. So tingnan niyo kung gaano karami katao. Ayun na sila, oh. Here, ang daming tao. So, liko tayo dito. Ay, sorry. So, guys, this is the krathong. Ayan. So, it made up of a biodegradable material. So, gawa siya sa saging. Diba? Tapos may mga dahon, may bulaklak. Although may wax siya. Although, sabi naman ng mga tao dito, nililinisan naman nila yung ilog right after the festival. This is the Ping River, guys. Ayan yung Nawarat Bridge. Ayan. Tapos dito kami mag-release ng aming krathong or aming floating lantern. Ayun na, may nagkapalipad na, oh.
Parang hirap yata.
Ayun na, may nagkapalipad na. Nagkalipad na ng lantern, guys, oh. Kaso siya lang mag-isa.
nakalusot yan.
Nakalusot niya.
Oh my gosh.
Wow!
Ganda. Ano yung spangle? Ano yung
Hindi ko alam yun.
Yung may light, no? Light something. Oo.
Ikaw na? Ako na?
If there's one thing I know for sure, it's that I know nothing.
Okay guys, we're now right here in near the Nawarat Bridge and we are currently having the Yipeng Festival and the sky is now lit with a lot of lanterns and wala siyang mass release pero it seems like a mass release. So look at this oh. We just had our release earlier dun sa bridge. Ayan, mag-hi kayo. Hi! Oh, look at this oh. The experience is super festive. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, the sky is lit up with lanterns from people celebrating the Yipeng Festival here in Chiang Mai. And look at this. Look at that. Guys, my camera cannot justify the feeling and the scene here in Chiang Mai near the bridge and near the King River. Guys, super. The sky is lit up with lanterns. Super ganda. Super nice. Super magical experience. This is really happening and I'm quite dreaming of this for months now and now it's finally happening. Look at that. Wow! They turned off the lights, the street lights for us to see. Look at that. Oh. Nice. This is a magical experience for everyone. Grabe. I love it. One of the great festival and one of the best festival I ever attended.
Ouais. Il y a de la lumière.
Yipeng Festival in Chiang Mai.
Il y a de la lumière.
This one, oh, this one. Let's walk further.
Kuya, ano dapat sa
Talaga,
Delikado nga.
my smile is plastered on my face. Super saya. Come on, guys, let's go. Let us now. Alam niyo, yung super magical experience is like living the Disney dream. Kaya super ganda and super saya na experience. Look at that, oh. Look at that, oh. If you're seeing the sky, parang the stars are falling because of those lanterns. Super nice, super worth it. Super magical experience and worth the try and worth all the effort of coming here in Chiang Mai. Kaya if you have time and if you have, you know, the energy, the money to come here, do come here and celebrate the Yipeng Festival and the Loy Krathong Festival with the locals and with tourists as well. Where's my friends? There you go. Hello guys, we're back here in our hotel. And kakabalik lang namin from the Loy Krathong and the Yipeng Festival, and it's really a successful event for me. So I've planned this for months. I really had to check kung kailan lang, you know, ang Yipeng at Loy Krathong. It had to coincide with our Travelry in in Thailand, and it did. And I'm really happy to witness and to experience the Yipeng Festival, especially that because, you know, it's really a magical experience as you've witnessed from my videos earlier, and I hope the videos and the pictures will justify what I really felt here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So I really recommend this activity here in Chiang Mai. If you have time, please do come here during this time of the season of Yipeng and the Loy Krathong Festival. So, if you're wondering about the environmental impact of Loy Krathong and the Yipeng Festival, don't you worry guys, because the government of Thailand assures everyone, not just the tourists but also the locals here, that after the festival, they will clean up those krathong that we float in the river. And you know what? Good thing, there are krathong that are made of parang rice cracker, and it's good for the fish because they can eat that when it floats in the river. And then the other thing, the classic krathong is made of natural materials like yung mga bamboo shoots, yung parang yung parang puno ng saging. It's I know it's not puno, but yung ganon. And then it made up of flowers, of leaves, ganun siya. Kaya ano siya, biodegradable siya. And yung wax doon sa yung parang clay, yeah, like what I've said, the government of Thailand do a cleaned up drive right after the festival. Also, with the Yipeng Festival, they also do that. Yung lantern naman is gawa sa very thin paper, parang rice paper yata siya. Kaya magaan, very light siya, kaya madaling lumipad siya. Kaya, for those of you who are asking, will be asking in the comments later about the environmental impact, the government of Thailand has an answer for that, which is the cleanup drive. And you know what? We cannot discount the fact that this is a culture of Thailand, of Chiang Mai specifically, to release this lantern and those krathongs. It's part of their culture. And who are we to judge that those customs that is happening for a very long time? And good thing that the government is responsible enough to preserve the nature and their environment by doing this massive cleanup drive, right? So guys, thank you so much. I'm really happy tonight because na-experience namin to. Sabi ko nga, this is one of a kind experience. Ang tagal ko talagang inantay ito. So love, mag-hi ka. So, ayan si Lana. Kaya nakapahinga na kami. And we're just waiting for our food. Naglakad kami from the river going back here in our hotel. Hindi na kami nakakain dahil close na yung mga establishment. Mga mga tinda-tinda na lang ang dami. Alright guys, so thank you so much guys for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoy Loy Krathong and the Yipeng Festival this 2023. And I hope I can upload this vlog immediately para makita nyo ang vlog na to kung gaano kaganda ang Chiang Mai during this time. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoy and see you next time. Bye-bye!
Thank